AI chatbots have created a revolution, with the market valued at $11 billion in 2026. But are they enough to run an enterprise-level company effectively? The answer is a clear no. Instead of an AI that can only talk, you need an AI that can act. There's a need for an intelligent system that can look at a delayed supply chain, analyze the financial impact, and automatically reroute a freight shipment, all while ensuring the safety of proprietary data. So, how is that possible? With Palantir AIP, it is an AI platform that helps tether LLMs directly to a company's live data and trigger real-world actions. In this video, we'll walk you through the exact architecture of how to build an AI-powered enterprise application using Palantir AIP. Let's get into it. The first step involves ingesting data and generating embeddings. Before you start building the interface, you must process raw structured or unstructured data sets into an AI-ready format. This is because you can't build a smart AI on messy data. You need to use tools, such as Pipeline Builder and code repositories in Palantir Foundry. Connect your data sources in the Palantir Pipeline Builder. AIP needs to know where every single data point comes from to prevent the LLM from making up fake numbers in later stages. Step 2 is the ontology. LLMs understand concepts better than massive SQL databases. The ontology maps the data provided into your business's digital twin. The raw data is transformed into real-world objects, such as customers, inventory, or work orders, with real-world connections. You need to link objects for the AI to understand relationships. Here, developers can write functions on objects using TypeScript to let AI perform actions like updating a database or changing a shipping route. Step 3 is creating the brains of the app using AIP logic. Now, we have clean data and a digital twin. It's time to bring in the LLM. You need to use AIP logic, which is a development sandbox where you can design LLM-powered functions without writing heavy code. You can write a multi-step prompt for your preferred foundational LLM. It can be GPT-4, Claude, or Llama. You can tell the AI, look at this customer's open support tickets, check the current shipping delay object, and draft a personalized email to sort it out. You can test, debug, and run metrics right here to see exactly how the LLM reasons before publishing the function. AIP ensures strict governance here. Unlike public LLMs, enterprise LLMs have a layer of security that sets them apart. The best example is CityWealth. They use this exact ontology plus AIP framework to take their customer account opening process from 9 days to literally seconds, reducing the staff workload from 50 people to 1. That is the difference between a chat box and true enterprise AI. Step 4 is the user interface. You can build the web app using Foundry Workshop, which is a low-code environment for building customized enterprise tools. To build tailored widgets, use React and custom TypeScript. Embed our AI agent directly into the interface. Now, a logistics manager can log in, see a map of delayed trucks, and ask the AIP assistant on the sidebar to perform an action. It can be asking the agent to reroute the main shipments to avoid the storm. The AI will analyze the ontology, perform calculations, create routing orders, and request the manager's approval with a single click. Here, you can see that unlike a chatbot, it is a completely operational system that performs actions. To build an app in Palantir AIP, your team needs real skills. You need PySpark data engineers for the pipelines, TypeScript developers for ontology, and UI experts for the front end. If you need help with all the heavy lifting of building a custom solution, you can reach out to us. Book a free consultation with our experts, and let's discuss how we can bring your vision to life.